Yes, Masterville crew, just to let you know, tonight Amen Therapy is back once again, and tonight we're continuing our show and tell series. We're going to be smashing down some tunes as usual. And guys, show and tell, for those of you who don't know, is about you guys sending me your tracks, and I give you live constructive criticism and feedback, and also you get feedback from the chat box and production advice live, guys. All you got to do if you want to take part tonight is just email your track to thebusybscience@gmail.com and tune in tonight's show, and I'll play your track and give you live feedback, production help and advice, and constructive criticism if needed. Last week was absolutely epic. Big up to all of the Amen Therapy crew. See you there tonight from 10 p.m, starting a little bit earlier, on point. Big up.